Hello, today I'm coming to you with 16 data entry jobs where you can work from home, make some money, and hopefully by next week you could get a paycheck or at least start the process in getting a work from home job today. Starting off with number one. Number one is called Blue Yonder, and you can work anywhere in the United States because this is a B2B, business to business appointment setter. You can make up to $50,000 a year. Experience in appointment setting, at least 3 years experience in appointment setting. Number two is called Fashion Workshop, Atlanta, Georgia, part-time rep, $9 to $10 an hour. You need 1 year in customer service. Number three is called Uplift Community Outreach, aka Solid Solutions in Atlanta, Georgia, customer service professional. You can make $9 to $14 an hour, and they will be giving you a background check and drug screening as well. Before you start this work from home job, they need a background check and a drug screening. Four is called BINGE Networks in Atlanta, Georgia. Client service rep, $10 an hour. Manage customer service requests via phone and through email. I always give you a brief summary of the job so you can have an idea of what the job is really all about. Like, what does the job consist of you? What the job need of you to perform the duties that they're asking for. Number five is called TCPA in Monroe, Georgia. Executive Administrative Assistant, medical experience, knowledge, a plus. Medical experience, knowledge is a plus for this position. Six is called Romanoff Renovations in Atlanta, Georgia. Sales support, $13 an hour. You're going to be conducting outbound lead follow-up calls to potential and existing customers via telephone and email. Seven is called Stryker, and this is tech sales, a field sales training, in-house product training. Eight is called Lodgings Insurance, Macon, Georgia. Account manager service and manage all aspects for commercial clients and their policies. Number nine is called Equifax Alpharetta, Georgia. Sales director, bachelor's in business. 10 is called Sykes Norcross, Georgia. Work at home customer support. 11 is child development associates, policy and producer analyst, $23.15 an hour. You need your associates in business and knowledge of Windows, Outlook, and Adobe. 12 is called Secure Technologies in Atlanta, Georgia. Customer service, you can make from $16 to $23 an hour. 4 is handle you're going to be customer service. What you're going to be doing with this particular job is handling customer inquiries and complaints that they have about Sercom technology. 13 is called Ben Collinger, State Farm agent, Atlanta, Georgia. A State Farm agent where you can make from $30,000 to $40,000 a year. Full benefits, and must have a property and casualty license. 14 is called the Lawrence Paper, Atlanta, Georgia, $15 to $20 an hour. 15 is Hilton Incorporated in Atlanta, Georgia, a remote administrative assistant, $20 to $25 an hour. Excellent written and verbal skills. 16 is called Red Ventures, Atlanta, Georgia. You're going to be working in sales, $18 an hour, and full benefits with time paid off. If you find any one of these interesting and is in your city and state, or in your city or in your state, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the links and start the process. And I jumped ahead of myself. My apologies. If you find any of these interesting, click on the link, start the process. And if you want more ways of how to make money from the comforts of your home, or you just want to make some passive income, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can just check out what I have available for you. Or you could just share with anybody you may know. Share this video or share the link with anybody that you may know that might need a work from home job. With that being said, I want to say thank you so much for not crossing over this video. And I hope that any one of these 16 data entry jobs work from home, where you can work from home. I hope any one of these 16 work from home jobs that you can make some money is going to help you in what's going on today. All right. So enjoy the day. Stay blessed. Wash your hands. And stay vigilant, because I don't want you to get sick out in these streets. I don't want you to get sick. And just take care of yourself. Just be careful. That when you go in this grocery store, wherever you go, 6 feet up so you don't get sick. God forbid somebody cough. You will be 6 feet away from that person and you won't get sick, because I want you here with me. All right. So take care. Enjoy the day. Stay blessed and wash your hands. All right. Take care. All right. And be safe. See you on the next video. Bye-bye for now.